Namaskaram. In this video, we are going to talk about the frequency of pranic healing. This can be an important question for the new healers, that how frequent you should ask your client to come, or you should apply pranic healing to the diseased person. So this question can be answered in many ways because it depends upon person to person, it depends upon disease to disease, it depends upon the condition of the person. It basically depends upon the kind of organ also, or depends upon the it depends upon the rate of deterioration also. Suppose somebody is having cancer, so if you are treating somebody with cancer, in cancer the prana goes away, prana is consumed very much. So if you are treating a person with the cancer, if you are treating in once a week or twice a week, or just in 2 weeks one time, so it won't work because the rate of consumption is very high in cancer. So the prana is consumed at very much high rate. So in cancer, in the cases like cancer, you should at least do pranic healing, apply pranic healing every day, or once in 2 days it is necessary, because the rate of deterioration is very high in cancer and such severe diseases. And then it depends, suppose there is some emergency, somebody got accident. So in accident, if somebody is in emergency situation, so then maybe you have to apply the pranic healing continuously, or maybe you have to give the prana just in every 1 hour, 2 hour, depends upon the situation. So, and suppose there is somebody has got burn, some cut. So when you get the burn, cut, so the rate of consumption of prana is very high. Then maybe you have to do it continuously for a while, for an hour, or maybe you have to wait some time. For a few hours you wait, then again you do this. Then it depends upon the organ also. Suppose the organ that requires prana is eye. So eye is a delicate organ, or some organ like spleen is a delicate organ, heart is a delicate organ. If the organ you are treating is a delicate organ, so you have to avoid the pranic congestion. You cannot just keep energizing, cleansing all the time. You have to wait. Maybe you can do it once a day, twice a day, not just in every few hours. You should be avoiding. You should see if the organ is delicate or not. Suppose the problem is in the knee, so that's not a delicate organ. You can just cleanse the knee many times and just relieve the pain, right? So yeah, so you have to look for the organ also. Then you have to look for the age and the condition of the patient also. Suppose it's a kid, an infant, or a very old person with weak chakras, or kid with small chakras. So you have to be very gentle, because you have to let the energy properly assimilate in their chakras. So maybe you can just do it twice a day, or you have to wait many hours, or you have to wait 2-3 days. Let the chakras assimilate the energy for the kid or the old age person. Then you have to look for the condition. Suppose some person is very sick, then you have to look for the severity of the disease also, what kind of disease it is. You have to take in mind many factors for the frequency. Then again, your scanning capability or the interview with the client can also help you to decide the frequency of the treatment. Thank you.